Okay, fine. Oh, where's the green? Where? Give me the green.
Where's the green?
No, on the other side. Look.
Yellow. You can pick the yellow.
I'll pick two green, okay?
Nice.
This is all for Aisha, okay?
Okay. Sorry.
Why it will be all yours?
Because it's my favorite colors.
After that, we'll brush our teeth, okay? Okay? Aisha, okay? Eat more! Eat more! Aisha!
Pesto.
Aisha, hold it with the jar. I'll hold it na lang. Hold this. No?
Yes.
I'll put it here, okay? It's there, Aisha, look. Okay? Aisha, my left finger. My left. Uh. Aisha, there's more pa.
Hello?
We're done. I'm done with the ASMR. Aisha's not done pa.
Hello?
Okay, fine. Aisha, why that's our not working na?
Because the TV is old.
How about the another big TV?
New.
Why? After that, here's the third game, okay? Only me, huh? Not you. You do like this on wash, 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 okay? Wash means that. Wash means, Aisha, what wash means? Wash means go. Wash me. Watch me. What out means stop. Okay.
It was from oh.
Pata, pati, pati. Aisha, open that. Marian, this one. No. Aisha, I like pastel and dark. Yours.
Aisha's friends is bad.
No good. Aisha, I'll put it on your mouth. Close your eyes. What's that?
Artem.
No more ice, John. It's finished already.